Welcome. Today I'll show you how I exchanged Bitcoin from Trust Wallet into Monero, but the overall process isn't tied to Bitcoin. If you're holding another crypto, it works the same way. Okay, so moving into Monero is usually where things stop feeling familiar. With most crypto, the process is pretty straightforward, but with XMR, you start reading guides, open forums, watch videos, and somehow everybody seems to have a different answer. One person recommends another wallet, someone else says to use an exchange first, another tutorial adds even more steps. Before long, what should have been a quick swap starts feeling way more complicated than it needs to be. I wasn't really interested in doing all that. I already had Bitcoin. My goal was simply to exchange it for Monero and move on. So after trying different options, I found myself coming back to this bridge because it fit that idea much better. I can start with the crypto that's already in Trust Wallet, complete the swap, and let Bridge handle conversion into XMR. So let's go through it together. Official link will be in pinned comment below because fake crypto websites are becoming more convincing every year. So before connecting your wallet, always make sure you're on the real website. So over here, I'm selecting Bitcoin, that's the asset I'm swapping. Then I'll type in the amount I need to exchange. As soon as I do that, Bridge calculates an estimate and shows roughly how much Monero I'll receive based on current conversion rate. I like checking that before continuing. It gives a clear picture of the swap right away. Also, if we scroll down for a second, there's live XMR conversion rates against different cryptocurrencies. It's useful if you want to compare a few markets without leaving the page. All right, then I press Connect, choose the network, and select Trust Wallet. Everything loaded correctly, so here I press Swap. Okay, confirmation window comes up with all transaction details. Never rush this part. Always take a quick look through amount, destination address, and network before confirming anything. So in my case, everything matches. Let's approve it. Good, now we wait for the transaction to complete. Okay, XMR arrived, and this is exactly why I keep using this bridge whenever I need to exchange into Monero. The whole process feels clean from beginning to end. Bitcoin stays in Trust Wallet until I'm ready. I don't have to send it somewhere else first. I don't have to make another conversion before the real one. I open the bridge, choose any crypto I need, review details, approve swap, and a short time later, XMR is in my wallet. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes really straightforward workflow. So if you've been looking for a practical way to exchange any crypto in a Monero without adding a bunch of unnecessary steps, this is the method I've personally been using. If you've got any questions, or there's another crypto pair you'd like me to test, let me know in the comments. I've used this bridge across multiple swaps over the past few weeks, and it's been reliable every time. And before I wrap things up, one quick reminder, no matter which bridge or platform you're using, always slow down before confirming transactions. Check website, check wallet address, and network. Those few extra seconds are well worth it. So, thanks for watching.